how to schedule posts on Facebook and Instagram from Meta Business Suite. Hello guys and welcome to today's video. In today's video, we will be giving you a quick tour on how you will be able to schedule some posts on your Facebook and Instagram. Now right now, we are currently on the Meta Business Suite. Of course, you're also going to connect your Instagram over here so that you will be able to schedule posts for both Facebook and Instagram. Now after connecting your Instagram here as well, you're simply going to go to the planner option over here, and in this option or in this section, this is where you will be able to start planning your post. For example, over here on Saturday 24th, I would like to schedule a post. I'm simply going to select that specific date, and now over here I can simply upload or put in whatever information I would like to upload. As you can see here, like photos, videos, templates, and post details over here. And that's it guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.